Namaste. Hello everyone. Welcome to Mysticistus. How are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Stay safe. This is the 8th episode of Zodiac Sign series. In this, I'll be discussing all about the sun sign Scorpio. So I'll also be doing the tarot card readings which will cover the past, personality and future of Scorpio in general. So let's get into the video. Hello Scorpio, this video is all about you. First let's start with the meanings of each letters in the word Scorpio. S is for stubborn, C is for cold, O is for optimistic, R is for reactive, P is for passionate, I is for intuitive and O is for outstanding. Scorpios are passionate, independent and unafraid of the society and about what others think. You love debates and always work hard for succeeding in life. You hate people who aren't genuine and are fake. Even though you seem cold and strict outside, you have a warm heart which people you are close to only knows. You are a true friend and can go to any extreme for helping your friends. Scorpios are generally intuitive. You are assertive, goal-oriented and adaptable, which will help you shine in your workplace. Best quality of Scorpio. You are straightforward while expressing your opinions. You don't like to act much. You have a very high self-esteem. You are honest and generous. Weakness. You try to hide your emotions at times. This can disturb your mental peace. Scorpio tries hard to look tough, uncaring and cold to outsiders. This can lead to people misunderstanding about your real character and find you less friendly at first. So in short, you know what you want and you always go after it without much doubt. It is kinda hard to convince you. You stand up for injustice whenever you see it. You have a unique sense of humor. You are passionate and honest. Whenever you decide to put your heart into something, there is no going back. So now let's see what the tarot cards have to tell about you, Scorpio. So these are the 3 sets, Scorpio. This one is about your personality, this is about your past and the third set is about your future. Let's open the cards and see. So this set contains the cards which tell about your personality, Scorpio. Let's open the cards and see. So these are the cards, Scorpio. It shows that you're very determined and passionate kind of people. You're courageous and brave. You're generally honest and loyal. You have a bit of jealousy in you, which may be a part of your pride. And you're secretive and you like to keep things to yourself. You don't like to share much with others. You're stubborn in nature. So it is very difficult to convince you or control you. Now let's see what the cards have to tell about your past. So this set contains the cards which tell about your past, maybe a page from your past, Scorpio. Let's open the cards and see. So these are the cards, Scorpio. I can see a sad past from these cards. Maybe a dark past which you wish to erase from your memory. It must be so depressing that you don't even want to think about it. I can see that you have almost succeeded to overcoming the depression and anger about that memory. But since you people don't forget things easily, it's kind of hard to move on, I guess. I can also see that you must have had many good friends and you have made many good memories with them, as these cards really highlight your friendship. So now let's see what the cards have to tell about your future. So this set contains the cards which tell about your future, Scorpio. Let's open the cards and see. So these are the cards, Scorpio. It clearly indicates about your career. It shows that you are very deterministic and you have a strong will to achieve something in life. So for students, I guess it means that you must be really wishing for a job or maybe a career path which you really want and is working on it right now. The same applies for unemployed people too. Then for the employed ones, I guess it means that you must be aiming for a promotion or maybe a shift to a better job. I can also see some emotional problems which will come that can make you frustrated, and you can overcome it with a strong will of yours. It also shows some issues with your health. So please take care of your health. Also, don't strain yourself on the things which you're working on right now, as this card shows tension and stress. So just focus on your work with full determination, and the cards are showing that the nature is in full favor of yours. So there are a lot of chances for you to succeed. Also for singles, getting into a sincere relationship in near future is not that advisable. Maybe after a year or a few months, changes can happen. And for married couples, it would be a ride with mixed emotions, as the cards indicate. So, yes, that was it. Now, let's see some basic information about you, Scorpio, like the ruling planet, ruling element, etc. Your ruling planet is Mars. It represents determination and charm. Your ruling element is water. It represents emotion and compassion. Your spirit color is black. Your lucky gem is topaz. Your top love match is Cancer. Some of the famous personalities who have Scorpio as their sun sign are Leonardo DiCaprio, Shah Rukh Khan, Ryan Gosling, Katy Perry, Bill Gates. So yes, that was for today's video. Until we meet again, peace out.